Hi, Michaela. Thank you so much for joining us for the Jimmy Choo North American Store Manager Conference. It was incredible, energizing. Your keynote, you delivered right on track, exuding all of the passion, all of the ways that our team, my team, can become future luxury brand ambassadors, which is exactly what I wanted you to communicate. The team was excited, they were stimulated, they were engaged, and it really was fantastic. The afternoon was the workshops, and so we split the teams into 5 groups by personality, and the workshop was incredible. And I think they got so much from that. Your passion, the way you delivered your speech was also incredible, and the teams really learned a lot. I think they walked away feeling like they really truly are the authentic Jimmy Choo brand ambassadors. So thank you very much. I'm expressing a load of gratitude for you. Thank you.
When they told me that I have to come to this trip for the conference, first I was excited, and then I thought, okay, me and Kristen, my manager, have to be both out of the store. And for me, it was kind of uncomfortable because we started sale, and like my life is Jimmy Choo. So I came, and I'm so happy that I made that decision to come because, first of all, you recharge me. You recharge me again. Like I have so much idea now. I go back to work. And when you were talking the whole time, I thought you were only talking to me. Every time, everything you said, it was to the point. And, I'm just recharged, and I can't wait to go back to the store and share this with my colleagues, that what I learned from this trip and how we can make the store to be $6 million. Thank you so much for taking time to teach us how to be better, to get to the goal. And I can't wait to tell you what I achieved this year. I'm going to get you an email, and I want to email you end of the year what I achieved.
Fantastic.
And I hope I will be on top of that Mount Everest.